Hi everyone, Yasas que kalos tirtate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today I'm taking the Greek classic lachano dolmades, which basically translates to stuffed cabbage rolls, and I'm going to take them and turn them into a soup. I'm going to have all of those delicious flavors in them, the lemony creamy sauce that's on the end, all of the cabbage and the delicious meatballs that are in there that's in the stuffing will be in the soup, except you won't have to go through all of the trouble of boiling the cabbage first and then rolling them up and having so much left over. This is just a simple, quick version of the Greek classic that you're gonna love. Let's get started. Okay, we're gonna begin by making the meatballs, but before we do that, I'm gonna finely chop a whole onion. I'm gonna use half of the onion for the soup and the other half for the meatballs. So once the onion is finely chopped, half of it is gonna go in the pot with a little bit of olive oil, and this is gonna cook over a very low heat until the meatballs are ready. So take about 7-8 minutes or so. If it begins to brown too fast, you can just turn the heat off until we get to that. Now, in a big bowl, I have ground beef over here. I love to use ground beef because it's mild in flavor, but you can use chicken or turkey if you like. Lamb might be a little bit gamey for this. Beef is my go-to meat for this. I'll add the other half of the onion to the bowl. So I usually like to take out my food processor for this because it chops the onion so finely and it incorporates into the meatballs a little bit easier. But I'm filming other videos at the same time and I don't have time to wash one more piece of equipment. So the onion is going in, and then I have a handful of fresh parsley here that I'm just also gonna finely chop, get rid of the heavy stems and just finely chop the leaves. I'll drizzle some olive oil over this too, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, a teaspoon of dried dill, 1 teaspoon of salt, or a little bit less if you want it less salty, some freshly cracked black pepper, and half a teaspoon of dried mint. Then we'll add 1/3 cup of Arborio rice to this. That's uncooked. You can use Carolina rice if you prefer. I'm just gonna mix this all together until everything is incorporated and combined. Then take about a walnut-sized piece of the meatball mixture and squeeze it in your hand so that way it comes together, and then roll it up into little meatballs. You can make these meatballs small or a little bit larger. It's up to you. So now we'll go back to the pot. The onion is nice and soft. It has a little bit of color on it. I have 3 garlic cloves that are finely grated. I'll add those in and warm them through until they're fragrant. Then we can begin with about 4 quarts of chicken stock or chicken broth. Add it to the pot. We'll add a little bit more later on as it's needed. We're gonna bring this mixture to a boil and then very carefully drop the meatballs into the stock. Cover the pot and reduce the heat to a medium, and we're gonna cook the meatballs for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I have a large head of cabbage. You could add a little bit less. This is gonna be a very hearty soup if you add all of the cabbage to it. I love cabbage, so I'm adding all of it, but you can start off with half and then see how it goes. After 20 minutes, the cabbage is gonna go in. I also like to add a little bit of orzo pasta to this. About 1/3 to half a cup is what you're looking for. It's gonna help thicken the soup and add more heartiness to it. You can do more rice if you want to instead of the pasta. Also season the cabbage with some salt and pepper, and the pot is full of cabbage right now, but after a few minutes you're gonna see it start wilting down into the soup. Let it wilt slowly, don't mix it up too much. If you start to mix the soup up a little bit too much, you're gonna break up the meatballs, and we don't wanna do that. So after about 20 minutes, the cabbage will have been fully cooked. Now we're gonna make the Avgolemono sauce to thicken it and flavor it with that lemony goodness. So in my pitcher over here, I have 4 egg yolks. I'll add about half a cup of lemon juice to it. You can start off with less lemon juice if you like, and then add more as you go. 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, depending on how thick you like your soup. Whisk that all together until it's nice and smooth. Then take some of that hot broth from the soup and temper the egg mixture. Whisk it all up and carefully add it into the pot. Shake the pot a little bit. Again, try not to mix it so that way we don't disturb the meatballs. And this is gonna warm through on low heat for about 5 minutes or so. You'll see that the soup is gonna begin to thicken really nicely. If it's very low on broth, you can add more chicken broth to this to get it to the consistency that you like. All you need to serve this with is some lemon wedges and some toasted bread, and it's ready to be enjoyed. And just like that, it's ready. If we were making the classic cabbage rolls, which are one of my absolute favorite Greek recipes, I would still be rolling cabbage leaves. But we're still gonna have all of the flavors this time with almost 1/4 of the work, and who wouldn't love that? Let's do the taste test. So good. The meatballs are so tender. The sauce has the perfect amount of lemony flavor, makes it nice and light and bright. The cabbage is perfectly cooked, and the orzo in there makes it a little bit smoother. You could substitute the orzo for rice if you want. We already have rice in the meatballs. You could just substitute some Arborio rice for the orzo that we use if you just want to keep everything simple, and if you don't have orzo, that's perfectly fine to use rice instead. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It's basically like a combination of yuvarlakia soup, which is the Greek meatball soup, and cabbage rolls all in one. Simple to make and so delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. The exact measurements are on the website, dimitrasdishes.com. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.